Headlight bulbs renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the driver's footwell and releasing the under bonnet catch. The bonnet is supported by gas struts. Rotate the inner cover anti-clockwise and remove it. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the reflector. Pull the bulb from the holder. Avoiding touching the new bulb with your skin, install it, then refit the bulb holder into the rear of the light unit, turning it clockwise to lock it into place. Refit the headlight cover. Rotate the cover anti-clockwise and remove it. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Pull the bulb from the holder. Taking care not to touch the glass with your bare skin, press the new bulb into the holder, then manoeuvre the bulb and holder into the reflector socket. Rotate it clockwise until it engages. Refit the cover to the rear of the lamp, turning it clockwise to lock it.